Okay, so we're looking here at a major second floor at 124 South 45th, and we're looking at a major structural wall that has been taken out and compromised that will have to be re-engineered and put back in. And then again, while all the windows are new, they were not installed properly. So hence there's evidence of some water encroachment, and so that'll have to get fixed. Again, the tile floor is really uneven and it slopes down as we go, so much so that the pushed part on one of the joists is offset by almost 3/4, if not an inch. Structural integrity has been compromised. And then again, windows, hardwood flooring. There's evidence of animal fecal matter ground into the floors, and none of the molding, and again the windows again. And then we'll go back here. We have a slightly structural issue where a wall's been taken out, and then no proper bracing for any of this to be put back in. It's just there's a 2x4. I can't imagine that there's actually a header above any of these doors. Again, this would be a major structural thing, as there's a den at the top of the stairs. You can actually see the structural cracks of what he's done to compromise this integrity. And then in here we just have a bathroom. While it's been redone, I doubt it's been redone with a permit, and just some issues. Again, we have some jacked up wiring, knob and tube, that's been cut. Oh, shit, that shocked me. That shouldn't have happened. Anyway, so we've got some jacked up wiring that is a safety issue. And then again, I don't know why he would have put a vapor barrier on an interior wall. Just more of a fire hazard with a hot wire. And then again, like all these windows are going to have to be pulled back out. Hopefully we can save them and then reinstalled. And then again, just open wiring that we just don't know who has done what with the wiring. Really scary. And then part 3 of this video, I will go downstairs and show you what they've done with the electrical panels. Again, there are no permits on this house for anything that's been done. Here we have another dip in the floor. Again, it's sloping over back towards this kitchen where it's gone down. Okay, on to part 3.